You. It's Friday today, so it's time for me to clean the house because tomorrow I'll be out again. So I need to start cleaning the house. I'm using antibacterial these days, so cleaning the cleaning all this inside the fridge. It's very important I do to clean and replenish them. Yeah, especially got this stuff, and sometimes I forget them. And it's look like I got this to drink later. I bought some today. I will clean all of this. Yeah, because today I'm off today at work. But I've been roaming. Now. This one is gone off now. This bread is off. So I need to put this in the bin. Yeah, that is it. Buy and buy, don't eat. That's why I don't really buy anymore. I only buy when you need it. It's way so thin. Yeah. And some people are starving. That's what I'm saying to my boy. Some people are starving. I pay my bills every month, and yeah, in the house, everything. I don't rely on my husband. I really need to do some antibacterial cleaning, and after this, I'm gonna get like another whole shopping for you guys for today. But now I'm gonna start cleaning, and then I have loads of job actually in the house. Okay, very super cleaning. No one will gonna clean, only myself. So after this, I'm gonna put all the new stock that I bought, and then we'll see another whole shopping for you guys. This looked like I broke something in my fridge, and this fridge freezer is for 10 years. It's still going strong. 10 years. And it looks like I broke something here. So we'll see. It looks like I broke something, so we'll see what is that. Today we've been out today, and I've been everywhere, and I had my new glasses on. I had my eye test, and after that I've been shopping inside the Tesco because everything is in there. and then I need to pay 10 pounds for my eye checkup because of it's not due yet. So yeah, but there's no changes, everything is health good, and the only problem is my reading glasses, I mean reading, yeah, it's just gone up. So yeah, that's what it is. Then after, we've been to the food called Food Shop. I knew things quite far away, I think like 20 minutes to drive or more, something like that. So Malu took picked me up here, and we had a good drive to, she did, yeah. And then I never know this, but she's a member, so I know now next time we can go together. It's a very very good, and I'm gonna do plug that one for you guys. I'm gonna show you how cheap is this. Sometimes you need to do something for your own self, not always live streaming. You need to make time for yourself, you need to look after yourself, because YouTube doesn't make pay well that much, yeah. So you have to look after it, and look after yourself and look after your life. Yeah, when you got a chance, yeah, you can do things. But for me, I even I'm earning here, but it's not that really a lot, so it depends. So yeah, we're not that popular, you see. Yeah, skim milk I prefer to use this kind because it takes longer. But the one when if I use into the what you call it in the bottle, is just quick gone off. So this is it. Now everything is clean, antibacterial. I clean and anything like this here. So I'm gonna put all the stuff back again and the new stuff again.